Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Twitter X account private. First of all, launch Twitter app or the Twitter on your web browser and log into that if you have not already. And after that, on the left hand side, we could see the option over here, select more. Under the more, we could see the settings and privacy. Click settings and privacy. And right over here, select privacy and safety. And under the privacy and safety, we could see click on the audience media and tagging. And over here, toggle. Click on the small box and say protect. When you click on this protective post, the only people that have followed you will be able to view your medias on the post that you have shared. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.